front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to launch Settings and tap on Connections. Then tap on Bluetooth on the left and use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. When you're ready, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, tap on the one you want to connect to. Then hit pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or if you are trying to connect to another smartphone or to a tablet, accept it manually on a second device. Either way, as you can see, mine were successfully paired. Quick tip: if you want to manage any paired device, use gear icon under paired devices next to the chosen one, and manage all of those options however you want to, including unpair at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!